So this is how it goes. Potomac approach, good afternoon, Skyventures 210.
Skyventures 210, go ahead.
I'm sorry, clearance. Yeah, Skyventures 210, 172 on the ground at Leesburg for a transponder code staying in the pattern, and we are familiar with the closeout procedures.
Skyventures 210, stand by, clearance and request.
Standing by.
Skyventures 210, squawk 5344, remain clear class Bravo, and confirm you are familiar with the procedures to cancel.
Yeah, Skyventures 210, 5344, and we will remain outside of Class B, and we are familiar with the closeout procedures. Got the phone number.
Skyventures 210, roger, have a good flight.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Alright.
Alright, so
9 miles out to the northwest, setting up for upwind approach for 17.
let's see if he's going to, yeah, he's doing it run up, so let's go ahead and go.
Alright.
Alright.
What happened?
I'm tapping on the right brake to get that nose wheel around, so get some more power in.
I mean, that's kind of...
There you go.
Oh, there we go. That's what happened. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I don't know what was going on. Okay.
Alright, so power back to 1,000. And hold short.
And we'll turn a little bit this way.
Yep.
Okay. Final looks clear.
Base and final clear. Alright, I'll get the radio call.
Okay.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210, 172, departing runway 17, remaining left closed traffic, Leesburg. Alright, heels on the floor, give it all she's got.
Yeah, Leesburg traffic to Decathlon 878 Alpha Charlie is 5 miles to the left.
Alright, so engine instruments in the green. Airspeed is alive, so I'll pull back at 65. Oh, thank you. I completely forgot about that.
It's alright, whoops.
Oh.
I got it.
Alright.
Wondering why there's so much noise in the cockpit.
Yeah. Whoops. So then we're gonna wait for 85. Alright. So then you said pattern altitude was 1200?
Yes.
So then we're going to turn the crosswind at 900?
800, between 800 and 900, yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow, we're slow, okay. Do you want me to do the radios?
You can if you like.
Okay. So we took off runway 17, okay.
Yeah.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210 is turning left, crosswind runway 17, Leesburg.
You just stepped on a transmission.
I'm sorry.
That's alright.
I didn't even hear it.
Yeah. Alright. That's okay. Looking for 1,200 feet.
Alright.
There you go. So, pitch, power, trim for level off.
Alright.
Squawking, heading 180 at 200 feet, 54 knots. Defender in there. Restricted area. Contact FAA next to restricted area immediately. Nearest point of exit at 17 miles east.
You can do the radios if it like.
Yeah, okay, I'll jump in here. No worries.
Okay.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210 is midfield downwind for landing. Full stop 17 Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 220, 4 miles out to the west. Decathlon site, setting up for upwind approach of 17, Leesburg.
Alright, so bring the power back a lot. Yeah, don't climb anymore. Yeah, let's get her back down. There you go. Alright, so you're...
Leesburg traffic, Diamond 7 Delta Sierra, left.
A little bit off. So now we're on the white arc. So then 1, 2, 3.
Leesburg traffic,
Then
Diamond.
we're waiting for 85, I guess. Alright.
Foxtrot Golf Zulu is departing runway 17 with the right turnout to the west.
Traffic.
Okay.
When do you,
Go ahead and start your base.
alright.
Leesburg traffic to Cap 1878 Alpha Charlie is crossing midfield to join the downwind for 17 Leesburg.
Traffic.
It's alright.
Okay.
It's the stuff in the pattern.
1, 2, 3.
Leesburg traffic 7-220, 2 miles out, overflying the airport for runway 17.
Looks like they're taking off. Final looks...
You're clear front. You're clear.
Okay. That was not a very coordinated turn.
That's right.
Yeah.
You're doing fine.
And we're looking for 75 on final.
Leesburg traffic Skyventures 210 is based to final, landing full stop 17 Leesburg.
Oh, there's full stop?
Yep, and then taxi back.
Okay.
Leesburg traffic, Diamond 700 is turning an extended base for runway 17, full stop, Leesburg.
This is looking really good.
Diamond's right turnout of traffic to the northwest.
Oh, come on. One, 2, 3.
Leesburg, Diamond 611, final 17, Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Cap 1878 Alpha Charlie is turning left base for 17, traffic at sight.
Okay, landing assured.
Alright. Power to idle.
Bonjour.
And then... What?
Leesburg traffic Skyventures 220, entering West Island for runway 17.
Oh, come on.
Alright, hang on.
I didn't know whether you wanted to...
Alright, let's make this turn.
Okay,
We
sorry.
got somebody on a final.
Okay, right.
Alright.
Hey.
Yeah, Leesburg traffic, Cap 1878 Alpha Charlie is turning final for 17, full stop, Leesburg.
Okay, so
Traffic not available.
set that back to take off and then that up, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Stand by, let me get the tail number of this airplane. Can you read it?
It is... Oh, jeez.
What is it? I can't read it.
It blocked it. 377 Delta Sierra.
Okay, got it.
Why?
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210 clear, 17 Leesburg. You in a hurry there, 377?
No, but you got to get on the other side of those dashed lines, sir.
Yeah, you need to maybe not crowd us on final either. Okay, so a couple of thoughts. I was a little distracted with that Diamond who was right up our wazoo. But just watch your altitude and 1200 in the pattern. Bring your power back once you're level.
Okay.
We're at 25 plus on the RPM. That's why we're continuing to accelerate and climb. And then just easy on the banks. No more than 30 degrees, just nice and gentle.
Okay.
And when she's clear, yep, when she's clear.
Okay.
And base and final are clear.
They look clear.
I'll get the radio call.
Skyventures 220, clear the active runway, Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210, departing runway 17, remaining left close traffic, Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Sierra 615 Delta Alpha. We are approximately 9 miles to the west inbound for 17. We're going to be full stop, Leesburg.
Okay, so... Do we want our oh, we forgot our lights. Those are on.
Lights, camera, action. Think that every single time. Okay.
That's on up.
That's right.
I said that's on, that's on, then this is good. Okay.
Yep, you're good. Heels on the floor.
Okay, engine and instruments look good. Airspeed is alive, waiting for 65. Waiting for 85.
All right, you don't have to make a call until you're downwind.
Okay.
All right, look under your wings, see where the runway is. There you go.
That looks good. Whoa, okay.
Little left rudder. There you go. Nice. That is the way it's done. Perfect. All right, so about here, since you know you're doing pattern work, you can do your gas undercarriage mixture pump.
Okay, so fuel sectors on both. Mixture is rich. Carb heats. We'll deal with the carb heat and the flaps when we need them. Lights are on. Seatbelts are good. All right. What is undercarriage, by the way?
Your landing gear.
Okay.
Leesburg traffic, Sky Ventures 210, midfield downwind, landing full stop, 17 Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Cirrus 828 Delta Foxtrot, 8 miles west, inbound for an extended right base 17 Leesburg.
Alright, so we're beam, so then carb heat on, pull the power back to 1500.
We're midfield looking for the downwind traffic, 17 Leesburg.
Okay, so we're in the white arc. 1, 2, 3.
And Leesburg traffic, Diamond 571 Delta, Cirrus, we're departing the pattern to the northwest to Leesburg. And Leesburg traffic, Cirrus 5 Delta Alpha, we're turning left downwind 17, full stop, we got the downwind to base traffic.
November 903, 528, contact Potomac approach 128.52.
Leesburg traffic, Sky Ventures 210 is base, 17 Leesburg.
My gosh, this is a busy place.
Yes, it is.
Part of me is now questioning why on earth I decided to have a lesson on a Saturday. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We want that to be 80. Okay, final looks clear.
Leesburg traffic, Sky Ventures 210, turning base to final, 17 Leesburg.
We're a little high, so. Actually, it'll be. Oh, we overshot it a little bit.
Salvage Park, Cessna 4310, Victor inbound. Airport 5.
1, 2, 3.
Leesburg traffic, 5 Delta Alpha, we're turning left base 17, number 2, Leesburg.
Okay, so
Left hand traffic today.
runway is made. Powered idle. And then, what, we flatten out, what, about here?
Yep, now focus your, let your power out slowly, and then just focus your attention down the runway.
Come on.
And Leesburg traffic, Cirrus 5 Delta Alpha, we're final 17, full stop Leesburg.
There it is.
Alright.
That makes sense?
Yes.
Looking down the runway actually helped you.
So that flaps up. Oh, right, no, sorry. We're not doing a touch and go. What am I doing? I'm
That's
sorry.
Mile final 17 Leesburg.
Traffic not available.
All right, yeah, the reason I'm, the first few I wanted to talk about things when we get taxiing on the taxi back, but the next few we can do
Okay.
touch and goes.
I did touch and goes all day on Thursday, so I just have that in my mind. So that's why I did that. I apologize.
No worries. Yeah, it's not a problem.
Okay.
I just want to use the opportunity to, and you're clear. And by the way, he was wrong about that, and I'll discuss that in a second. We're clear. Leesburg traffic, Sky Ventures 210 clear, 17 Leesburg. The aim
Leesburg traffic, Cirrus 828 Delta Foxtrot, 2 mile final 17 Leesburg.
clearly states that every bit of the aircraft has to be across the white line of the runway, not the hold short.
Mm-hmm.
That's he's absolutely mistaken in that Now, it's a courtesy if there's somebody behind you, but I wanted to read his tail number, and that's why I was holding you there.
Okay.
And then he turned right in behind us. So it's, you know, I've gone back and forth with some of the instructors, but the actual, all the parts and pieces of the airplane have to be across the white solid line of the runway, and then you can call clear. The method used is to go past the hold short line, but that hold short line is only there to prevent somebody from creating an incursion on the runway. So it's kind of, you know, he wanted me across the white line. I didn't necessarily have to be.
Okay.
If he had not turned final on us, I mean, I looked over after we turned off, and he was right there.
Yeah.
Over the threshold. So what if we would have gotten a flat tire, or what if we would have landed long? He would have had to go around.
Yeah.
So just the lesson from that is there are people that aren't necessarily the most courteous, and yeah, that's whatever. In this particular airport, there's people with a lot of money.
Yeah.
And not a lot of brains.
More dollars than cents.
Yes.
Last week I was doing pattern work out of Culpeper.
Leesburg traffic, Bonanza 1060.
And this is a zoo compared to that place.
17 for an immediate right turnout north to Still.
Yeah, it gets busy here. And it's funny because I'm full-time out here Monday through Friday. And I came in this morning and there were 4 people at like 8:30 in the morning just sitting here waiting to go. And it's like, wow.
I'm ready.
All right. Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210, departing runway 17, remaining left closed traffic. Have the inbound traffic on the 45 in sight. Leesburg.
Oh, I see him.
Leesburg traffic, Cessna 5294, crossing midfield. We entering left downwind from runway 17, Leesburg.
All right, heels on the floor. Give it all she's got.
All right, engine instruments are good. Airspeed is alive. Waiting for 65.
Yeah, that last landing was very nice, and I also liked your pattern a lot better too, so let's see if we can duplicate that.
Alright, thanks.
Leesburg traffic, Bonanza 1060, Romeo is departing the pattern to the north at 1,500, climbing to Still.
I got your radio calls.
Okay, thank you. And
Leesburg traffic.
Looks good.
Skyventures 210 is turning downwind. Landing 17, Leesburg.
And diamond in front of the overflying the field midfield for left downwind for 17.
Leesburg traffic, Cessna 5294, Whiskey, runway 17 on final, touch and go, Leesburg.
Diamond, I have you inside. Are you going to come in behind us?
We're going to cross midfield and enter left downwind.
Okay, we are midfield downwind right now, right in front of you.
At the insight, we'll be behind you.
Oh gosh.
Jeez.
This will be a good learning opportunity for radio calls.
I called it.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Okay.
Now speed check and...
So then that's on both. That's good. That we'll check these.
Skyventures 226 down 2 miles east. We'll enter 45 and downwind behind the 2 aircraft. Leesburg.
Dos wheels.
Dos wheels.
Okay, waiting. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You start your base.
Okay.
Right over this road. Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210, turning base 17, Leesburg, full stop.
Is it a full stop?
Whoops.
Okay.
Well, I'll mend it when we're on final.
Okay.
That actually might help out the
1, 2,
twin star too.
3.
And Diamond is left base 17, number 215.
Good Lord.
So he's like right behind us.
I tell you what.
5294 Whiskey is on the upwind, Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210 is turning final 17. Full, actually going to be a touch and go to get out of everybody's way here at Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 226, rendering left downwind 17, number 3 Leesburg.
1, 2, 3. Hopefully.
Leesburg traffic, Cessna 5294 Whiskey, runway 17, we're on the crosswind, Leesburg.
And Diamond's rolling out on short final vehicle stop 17, Leesburg.
Powered idle. Float right above there. And there we go.
Alright,
That's the takeoff. Flaps are up.
wait till they come all the way up.
Leesburg
And
traffic,
now they're up.
Cessna
Starpeat's in full power.
Whiskey, runway 17.
That looks good.
Entering downwind.
Waiting for 65.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 226, left base 17 Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210 is on the go. Remaining West Coast traffic 17 Leesburg.
Hello?
Traffic not available.
Hello.
Thanks for doing the radio. Normally I do them over in Manassas, but this is crazy.
By the way, nice job on that landing.
Thanks.
Feeling better?
Yeah.
Make this the last one, okay?
Okay.
That'll give us time to get in.
Traffic, Cessna 5294 Whiskey,
Tie it up
runway
and-
17, entering
Alright. That looks good.
Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Skyventures 210 entering downwind. Finding full stop for the last one, Leesburg. I'm getting out of this.
Leesburg
Yeah.
traffic, Cessna 5294.
I agree.
Jeez. Good experience for you, though.
Oh yeah.
All right, so this is the GUMPS check. That gas undercarriage, make sure prop seatbelt, shoulder harnesses.
Yep.
If you can think Forrest Gump, GUMPS check, and knock it out midfield, you're good to go. Then you're being the numbers. Carb heat, yeah.
Traffic.
Yeah, we know.
1, 2, 3. What is the like the range for that thing to go off?
You can set it to any range that you like, say 500 feet above, 500 feet below, or 1,000. I believe you can set the parameters, but normally it'll squawk at you when it sees anything in the vicinity.
Alright, we're gonna turn base. Looked.
Leesburg traffic, Scavengers 210 turning base. 17 landing full stop, Leesburg.
One, 2, 3. Final looks clear.
You're clear.
Alright.
Leesburg traffic, Scavengers 210 turning final, 17 Leesburg. Alright, so a little high, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you
Leesburg
something.
traffic, Cessna 5294 Whiskey, clear 17.
We could
Alright, so rather than nose down and build up that airspeed, just
like slip
actually
it.
you're fine.
Okay.
You're fine. You're targeted right to the numbers,
Okay.
but just a little high and steep. But that's okay.
2, 3.
That will help too, putting the flaps in. Normally, if you're like really high,
You could slip it?
you can forward slip it, but that's not a good idea with a lot of flaps in.
Okay.
So what you do is you pitch back to about a 65 knot, and about 70 miles per hour or so, and just let the aircraft get a really nice, good rate of descent.
Okay.
and it's almost like a short field approach, rather than pushing the nose over and fighting your airspeed.
Okay.
I'll let you concentrate on your landing.
Okay, runway is made, so power to idle. I'm going to flatten it up right around here, and just...
Oh, very nice.
Alright.
Okay, all right, let's call it a day. Let's end on a good note.
Car repeat in, flaps up. Alright. That was good.
All right, so now we're clear of the runway.
Yes.
He just wanted, now here's the thing. Here's the argument that I have. All right, go past the whole short line. All right, now we're in the way of the taxiway.
Yeah.
So who's, you know, you clear the taxiway, then you go. And that's one of the things that I was arguing with one of the instructors about, is like, whose way do you want to get into?
Yeah. You'd rather go into the way of people going 10 miles an hour rather than 80.
Yeah, that's true.